With this AI text to video and image to video, you can create videos like this. The best part is that it works on both mobile phone and laptop. In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your video and how you can get unlimited generation using these techniques I'm going to expose to you in this video. I'll also show you at the end of this video how to remove watermark from your video. First, click on the link under this video description or in the comment section of this video to come to this website. Once you get to this website, here you can see other videos that other people have also generated using this particular website. If you want to take a look at this video and want to generate the same style of video with any video that you find on this website, then you can click on one of these videos to open up the video. On the right side here, you're going to see the prompt that was used in generating that video. Now you can click on copy to copy the prompt that was used, or you can go ahead to click on remix video to remix this particular video. If you want to create your own video, then what you need to do is to come over here, click on create, and from here you're going to sign in using your Google account. After signing in, you can see I've been given 300 credits here. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited creation using this website. Here you can upload the image you want to use to generate your video. So if you click on here, you'll be able to select the image you want to use for this generation. After uploading your image, then you can go ahead here to write what you want to achieve with this image. If you don't have an image, then you can come here to write what you want to generate. This is what I want to achieve with this image working. So after that, you need to come down here to click on generate video. Another thing you can do here that is available here, you can add lip sync to your image. So if you turn off the lip sync option, then you'll be able to upload the recording you want to use for your lip sync. But I don't want to achieve that now, so I'm going to click on generate to get my video generated. And after some few seconds, your video is going to be generated. If you are satisfied, you can click on this play button to play this video. If you are satisfied, then you go ahead to click on these three dots and you get access to the download icon here, and your video is going to be downloaded. Now let me quickly show you how to get unlimited points on this website. When you log in daily, they are going to give you 120 points. If you want to get unlimited creation on this website, then you have to use what we call temp mail. Just go to your Google web browser and search for temp mail. Go to this website, temp mail. So you are going to get an email address here. So when you get to this website, click on delete to delete this email address, and they are going to get a new email address. Once you get this new email address, then you need to go back to this website. Come over here where you see your profile. Click on that place, and from here you can click on your profile. So from here, come down and click on logout. After logging out, then you come down here, click on sign up for free, so that you can go back to this temp mail, copy the email address that they give you here, then go back to this website, click here, input the email address you just copied, then click on send code, and they are going to send a code to this email address. Copy the code, then come here and input the code, and then you can continue with your email, and that is going to give you access to another 300 points on this website. And this is how you get access to unlimited creation on this website. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.